welcome back to my channel, Friends the Spicy. Friends, do you know why we see water droplets out of the cold glass or bottle? This happened because of the process of condensation. So today I am doing an experiment on the condensation process. So let's get started. Today I am doing a science experiment which shows the process of condensation, in which water vapor changes into water droplets. So we take one glass of water, some ice cubes, and we take some ice cubes into a water. Due to this, the water becomes cool. Now, let's wait for some time. After some time, when we saw the water droplets appear on the outer surface of the glass. So, what is happening and why is happening? As we know that our temperature, our environment is surrounded with the water vapors. When we put ice cubes into a water becomes cool. At that time, the water vapor come into the contact of the low temperature of the surface of the glass. So water vapor changes state and into a liquid form, and we can call this as a water droplets form. So this change of state of water vapor into a liquid form, this process is called as a condensation process. Thank you.